To use Authorize Net Webhook Events List, start by understanding what webhooks are and their role in. Authorize Net webhooks are notifications sent by Authorize Net to your application when a specific event occurs, such as a successful payment or a failed transaction. The first step is to register for an Authorize Net account and enable webhooks in your account settings. This will allow you to receive notifications when events occur. Next, navigate to the Authorize Net Webhook Events List, which provides a comprehensive list of available events that can trigger webhooks. These events include payment notifications, transaction updates, and customer information changes. Choose the events you want to receive notifications for and configure your webhook settings to include the URL where you want to receive the notifications. Ensure the URL is secure and can handle the webhook payload. Authorize Net will send a notification to your specified URL when a selected event occurs. The notification will include details about the event, such as the transaction ID and payment status. When handling webhook notifications, ensure you verify the authenticity of the notification by checking the digital signature provided by Authorize Net. This prevents unauthorized access to your application. Best practices for using Authorize Net Webhook Events List include implementing a robust webhook handling mechanism that can handle multiple notifications and errors. Use a secure protocol such as HTTPS to encrypt the data and protect sensitive information. Regularly review and update your webhook settings to ensure you are receiving the required notifications and to prevent unnecessary notifications. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Authorize Net Webhook Events List to receive timely notifications and improve your application's performance and security. In conclusion, using Authorize Net Webhook Events List helps you stay informed about important events and updates in your Authorize Net account. By registering for webhooks and configuring your settings, you can receive notifications and improve your overall payment processing experience.